So LL Cool J met him at the deli one day, and he was young.
Okay.
Yeah, and he was living like in a store at the time. Wow. And he came with and he was pretty big at the time. He was having like a problem with his like manager. He was suing his manager.
He was real good when he was young. He was real good. Yeah.
What a nice guy though.
Yeah. You know, he seems like a nice guy.
He's just a nice guy.
He got he's all buff.
Yeah, he wasn't like that.
Nah, back then, now he's skinny. He's more like a movie star now too. He does a little bit.
All the Mets live in Manhattan.
The Mets,
yeah. LL Cool J lives there. Mike and the Mad Dog, he lives there.
I met. Which one's the heavier one?
That's the first entrance.
I met him.
He lives in Manhattan.
Does he? I was in Manhattan on a. We had a show at the Javits Center for something. I'll tell you what happened. We met him at the ESPN zone. We went out for drinks and after the show, and we're sitting there, and they said, "Hey, there's Mike Princess, whatever." So we start walking towards him and talking. Hey, what do you think of the Yankees this year, whatever? And he's answering us, but with his back turned, and he's walking away.